In this short video, I'll guide you through the steps to get TikTok back on your phone after deleting the app. If you can't find your TikTok account or it seems to be missing, it could be due to accidental deletion, login issues, a ban, or even a technical glitch. Whatever the reason, don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to restore your TikTok and get back to using it. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. If this is your first time watching our videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. Now, let's get started. The first method is restoring the TikTok app from the Apple App Store if you are an iPhone user. To start, head over to the App Store. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Purchased. Use the search bar to look for TikTok, and if it appears, simply tap Download to reinstall it. If TikTok doesn't show up, move on to the next method. If you're using an Android phone, here's what to do. Open the Google Play Store. Tap on your profile picture, then go to Manage Apps and Device, then select Manage. Use the search bar to look for TikTok and tap Install if it appears. If TikTok isn't listed, try the next method. If TikTok isn't showing in your App Store or Play Store, it may be restricted in your region. Here's how to fix it. For iPhone users, open Settings and tap Apple ID. Select Media and Purchases, then tap View Account. Choose Country or Region and switch to a country where TikTok is available, like the US or UK. Agree to the terms, enter a random address, and save the changes. Now, go back to the App Store and search for TikTok. For Android users, open the Google Play Store, tap your profile icon, and go to Settings. Select General, tap Account and Device Preferences, then change your country to one where TikTok is available. Restart your Play Store and search for TikTok again. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now let's continue with more methods to get TikTok back. If TikTok is not in your Play Store, you can install it manually using an APK file. Here's how. Open a trusted website like APK Mirror or UpToDown in your browser. Search for TikTok APK and download the latest version. Go to Settings, then tap Security. Enable Install Unknown Apps, then return and install the downloaded file. After installing, open TikTok and log into your account. If TikTok is banned in your country, you can use a VPN to change your location. Follow these steps to do this. Download a reliable VPN app like ProtonVPN or NordVPN. Connect to a country where TikTok is available. Then, open your App Store or Play Store and search for TikTok. Search, download and install the app, then disconnect the VPN if needed. With these methods, you are sure to get TikTok back and running on your phone and start reconnecting with your fans and friends. To explore more TikTok video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.